Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the recipes I use for detoxification of system, and this natural mixture ingredient is very good to prevent against disease, and it also boosts immune system. This will really help you to detoxify your system and flush out all the toxins in your system. Without wasting much of your time, let's begin. But before we start, for those of you who are new to my channel, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like what I share, and also share and click to the notification button so that you will know whenever I upload video, and also subscribe. Thank you. Here is the recipes. This is beets. Okay, I have already sliced it. Here is the three recipes. Here is carrot, and this is beet, and this is apple. And when you're using this apple, make sure it's organic apple. It's very nice. So all you we have to do is to grab your blender. I've already sliced all the recipes. Here is the apple. I've already, because I don't want to waste much of your time. Here is my carrot. So all you have to do is to blend. I'm not gonna put all the carrot because I want to use it for something else. And you add your apple. And you add your beet. That is it. Then you add, if you have juicer, you can use juicer. I don't have juicer, that's why I'm using this blender, and my blender is small. So if you don't have juicer, all you have to do after blending this, you just extract the chaff from the juice and drink. Just add water. I'm gonna add small water because I want it to be very concentrated. And here it is. Then you blend. Okay, I like it to be more. And The juice is ready. So all you have to do is to grab your filter, grab, sorry, I need to get this out. And your juice is ready. Here is the chaps. So if you like, you can add a little water on it and reblend it again. And here is the juice. Your juice is ready. Then your glass, take your glass and okay, and your juice is ready. It's very nice. And before I forget, this drink is good after eating, okay, at night. You just drink it, or you drink this first thing in the morning before breakfast. Okay, it's good to take first thing in the morning before breakfast. After drinking this, then after 1 hour you can take your breakfast. Okay, this, just do this for 1 week. You will see how your system will be, and it will all clear all the toxins in your system. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.